Hey, have you ever thought of being a distributor, guys? So today I'm actually taking you live from KICC Manufacturing Expo for Indee, and it's actually basically Kenyan manufacturers and Indian manufacturers who are going to show several of the tools that you can use, either domestic or industrial. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. And if you have subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. I don't take you for granted. So tag along, we go and learn basically different manufacture stuff on the expo. So tag along with me, guys.
You want that? Yeah, it's okay. Iko sawa.
Compressor hizi nimeziona mahali. Sasa nataka explain.
Yes.
Nataka ni explain nimeziona mahali.
Okay.
Do you mind go for on record? I'm recording it.
To explain? No, maybe you will explain.
You don't want to explain.
Maybe the record tonight.
Ti dino ya video dino ya idrisi ya ku ojera ne kese ka.
The part. Okay, power tools and all this. For welding, the prices vary from each item, from one to another item. But for making work easy, there are tools for making work easy.
So how much is a compressor?
A compressor, we have a 25 liter. We have an oil cool and air cool. This one goes for 17,000. It's an air cool. Yes? Zimeisha haki. So this goes for 17,000. Then we have the air cool one goes for 22,000.
And actually the welding machine.
The welding machine.
For an individual, how much can you charge? As in, if I come to buy as an individual rather than a distributor?
It depends with the type of the welding machine. It varies from the amperes, from 200 to 450 amps.
So tell me the variation ranges of prices.
For the range, maybe for the 200 amps, you shall get it 13,000. 200 amps. But now as it goes, as the amperes change, the price also goes high. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much.
So what do you do? Good name?
I'm a YouTuber. I'm a content creator.
Content creator. So you help companies or you help organizations to
we
display?
can partner,
Okay.
I'm just basically taking all of you and then I'll explain it how.
Best of luck.
Chillers na freezers, how much?
Inadepend na size.
Sasa size kama hii ni how much? Yani for a distributor mwenye anataka kununua individually.
So kama hii tuseme ni kadogo hivi. Hiyo una budget ya 850.
850k.
Yes.
Warranty ni how long?
Sorry?
Warrant
1 year.
pekee. Service ni good.
Service tunakufanyia
Good.
1 year.
For 1 year.
But after that, una sign contract ama maybe kama ume move on or something.
Osla, wow.
So Osla, wana partner na Sheffield. Sheffield is a local company.
I've seen it in another.
So Sheffield fabricates banners locally, but their capacity is up to 4 meters high. And then, if at all a client wants more than
4 meters,
they now get them
to Osla.
Yeah.
So which?
So Osla also supplies machines to Sheffield. So you can opt to
work with
import directly from Osla, or you can get them through Sheffield.
Yeah. Okay. So distribution in Sheffield, offices zenyu ziko wapi? Where are the offices in Kenya?
In 𝐶𝐿𝐶𝐿.
𝐶𝐿𝐶𝐿,
Near Gateway Mall. I would say the nearest landmark is SGR.
SGR.
Yes.
So
This coming Tuesday, we'll be having an expo in-house.
In-house expo.
Yes, for cold rooms basically.
Entrance.
It's free. So we'll be educating on how you can use your cold room, what to store, how to maintain.
So you focus on commercial, you don't focus on homes.
Yes, commercial. Actually,
you don't focus on home. If I want,
it is commercial kitchen equipment. That is what we are known for.
Yeah.
But now we also have cold rooms. So we have been in kitchen and laundry equipment.
That's why I'm asking for someone who has a big house, which...
Yes, a big house like State House. Why not? We have done a cold room by the in State House.
Wow. Okay. Underrating clientele.
We are not. So if your capacity, maybe you have a big home. You see how Indians live.
That's what I was asking.
Yeah, so you can do that. You can do a cold room.
Guys, you've heard they are going to be having a free show on Tuesday. Date?
That will be on the 17th of October.
17th of October, you can come and check out their cold room accessories for kitchen. So guys, that's a plug.
Yes.
For this, it's called 𝐄𝐍𝐉𝐎𝐗. It's an electric bike. When it comes to charging, it takes only 5 units. It takes 5 hours. When it is fully charged, it can cover a distance of 80 to 100 kilometers.
And sustainability in Kenya. Where am I to charge, given that I'm from Nyeri County? Where are your places that I can go to charge to?
It has a very comfortable portable charger, a charger that looks like a laptop charger that you can move around with it. Can
you show us?
Yes. Here it's how it looks. This is the charger, and this is the part where you charge it from. It only, as I told you from the beginning, it just only takes 5 hours to get 100% charged, and it will only consume a token 𝐻𝐶𝐾. Yes, so it is very economical, very pocket friendly. Yes, you can move a distance of 80 kilometers is from Nairobi to Nyeri.
How much is it?
It is approximately 200 Kenyan shillings.
Approximately.
Yes.
But you can bargain.
Yes, it can go at a lower price. We are giving it approximately 200 Kenyan shillings because we have not yet found a distributor yet. But the moment we have a distributor, that's the time we will know if it will be at 200 or more than that.
So I can't buy as an individual?
At the moment, no, because there is no distributor. But the moment you have a distributor, it will be even more economical and more cheaper on your end.
Durability, how long? How many years?
For the battery or for the
entire?
It depends with what kind of work are you.
If I'm a sport person who loves just going for sports, and
it's more than 10 years because
10 years. Okay, makes sense.
Yeah.
That is the end of the vlog. Actually, I hope you've learned 2-3 things. That is actually the Manufacturer Expo 2023 that was happening in KICC Indee. It's supposed to finish up tomorrow on the 10th of October 2023. So I hope you guys have really enjoyed the few things I've shown you, and you've learned 2-3 things. And if you're willing to become a distributor, kindly just come and get acquainted with the companies that are from India. It's an Indian-Kenyan business transaction. So thank you so much guys for watching, and subscribe, like, share. Till next time, God bless you. Thank you so much. Love you.